Did you know that your Thermomix is also the best bartender? Yes, look at all the recipes you can make. Many different types of margarita. Ooh, cucumber margarita, blood orange margarita. I need to try that. Watermelon, citrus, coconut margarita. Oh my! And then we have Mai Tai, sangria, Bloody Mary, mojito, and many cocktails to choose from. Do you know how to make a Bloody Mary? I don't, but all I have to do is choose the recipe and follow the steps. The app even buys the ingredients for me. So, wanna see how I make a quick frozen margarita? Let's do it. All I need is tequila, orange liqueur like Cointreau or triple sec, limes, sugar, and ice. That's it! So now I choose the margarita recipe here. So I'm gonna do a small version, okay? We have here some options for 4 glasses, 6 glasses, or 8 glasses. I guess I'm gonna have to have 4. I can sacrifice for this video. All right, let's start cooking. 3.5 ounces of tequila. 3.5. And if we're a little over, it's tequila, right? We're okay. Now we go for the orange liqueur, and we need 1.5 ounces. Whoops. Okay, I want to be just a little over like the other one. Okay, I can do that. So now I want 3 limes peeled. The full lime, just like that, okay? So I'm going to put the 3 limes here. The cool thing about it is that the margarita is going to have all the pulp. So it's really yummy. Oops, and it said 2 limes instead of 3. Sorry, I was still with the quantities from before. It's okay, 1 more lime. And 2 to 3 ounces of sugar to taste. So when I have a range, I usually go in the middle. All right, so we're going to mix all of this really nicely and chop the lime. 15 seconds, no temperature, and speed 6. Let's do it. Mixing. Yes. All right, and now we just need ice cubes. I mean, come on, 2 steps. It's really easy, right? It's the equivalent of that bartender going We want 12 ounces of ice cubes. Let's see how much I need. Oh, I have more than enough. That's awesome. Well, a little more. Okay, that's good enough. Now we are going to crush ice. It's going to be a little loud, of course, but it's the only way you can crush ice. Let's do it. And after this, you're gonna see the power of the Thermomix because it's going to be an amazing frozen margarita. You'll see the texture, so good. So 1 minute, no temperature, of course, and speed 10. Woo! I went to the bar, I asked for a margarita, and it's made already. Pour the margarita into glasses and serve immediately. Look at this beauty. You see how frozen the jar is, right? The bowl? And look at my frozen margarita. Look at how it falls here. That is gorgeous, isn't it? All right, and you cannot imagine how good the taste is. See? You can make this too. Thermomix doesn't just make soups, stews, chicken, fish, meats, rice, bread, cakes, pizza, veggies, ice cream, or shakes, to just name a few. It's also your bartender. Imagine this, you're having a Cinco de Mayo party for your friends and you can have a margarita station. I did this for a friend and I was the margarita girl for a whole party. Every 4 minutes I had another batch of margarita coming up and they loved it. Oh, and you can have 1 Thermomix in your kitchen, and if you're one of those people who have a gorgeous bar in your home, then you could have another Thermomix for just the drinks, right? Okay, fine, or not. You can just use the same Thermomix for both purposes. Up to you. So, time to say goodbye. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and contact me here if you need a Thermomix in your life. Or use the information I have in the comments. And now, let's go. Cheers!